Took a deal to give a nigga wills. Protective custody for his bitch, he gon' get his mom killed. That nigga selfish, he don't even care how his mind feel. He left his Umi in the streets like she roadkill. I watched the real nigga change the rules. I watched everybody change when they see my face on the news. I put Marty on his feet, he ain't give me lawyer money. But it ain't even about no check, it's loyalty more than money. Carl say he can't understand why I ain't fuck with Cole. Then he feel how I feel when he found out cuz told. I told him even if he didn't, you still gotta cut him loose. He considered the next time he might get you roof. Every day I think about then how he lost his life. Plenty conversations we had, I told you keep your pipe. Niggas will kill you off affiliation. Upstate comment when you catching bodies for retaliation. I heard all the rumors when niggas was trying to steal my bundles. They write you from a fake page, when they see you, they love you. Nobody love me like my mom except Harley Rose. My dad ain't love me enough to raise me, homie, hit the road. Steve died, that's who I called when it's time to hit the stove. He said you better not let nobody else cook your shit, home. I wish you was here for your son, he running around with 30s. And Zion Fatty still get on my nerves, OG, you heard me. If I let Ron talk through me, he'll say, OG, you heard me. OG, you heard me. Yeah, he was stingy like a baby, they made him bite the Glock. Like he was teething, they was beefing, who gon' on the block? Like he was teething, they was beefing, who gon' on the block? Once that war started, they gon' stop. And put him on the news like World Star, but he ain't get the top box. He got a pine box. Close your eyes and you probably can hear his mom cry. The same scream from when his dad died. On the same block his little brother died. A nigga I love made a better receipt to steal my money. That shit hurt me. Trust broken like a girl who had sex for the first time and catch herpes. From a nigga she loved, 9 times out of 10 it was a nigga she trust. 9 times out of 10 them niggas ain't us. 9 times out of 10 them niggas ain't us. I middleman the brick in 2 weeks, off 4 and a half. But off 2 scripts of 30s, I'll make more than that. My last script was all Fetty, I had to fall back. And every time I fall off, I'ma crawl back. Every time I lost it all, I got it all back. I ain't never miss a bitch call worth calling back. Check the answer when I call collect. I went to jail when they let my mom house fall in debt. My youngest say he got in the shit all, he went home and cried. Too many times he could've died, law was on the side. I seen her out when I had my daughter, she was his guardian angel. If I ain't have, I would've flamed you. But she probably saved both of us. Fatty hit it, she gon' hop on angles. Like Lum, why you say that you ain't thinking? I'm in the zone, I ain't blinking, I ain't budging, I'ma stand on it. I bust traps, I bust gates, I see my man doing it. I went to jail with Cam Wayne, got some money and put my man on it. And that's all facts. A nigga say he made me, bro, that's all cap. Anything I got fronted, I paid it all back. I watched D down camera, I need my dog back. I called Worm about boy, I want that call back. Wish I could take that call back. I watched my mom die from cancer, she was all bones. And then I went to jail again and felt all alone.